Let's start on the left, overhand, and sweep back, up over the top, overhand weave on the left, and open it up, stall left, come into overhand butterfly on the front, take out right, and take out left, and take out right, and take out left, and take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Now we're going to go up, and I'm walking backwards for the first 4 as I go alternating up, and then I'm walking forward for the second 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to combine it. We'll go back with the chest takeouts for 4, and then we'll go forward with the head takeouts, 3 and 4, and angel twice. And then big extension to angel, double stall out, stall under the left leg, double stall out, stall under the right leg, double stall out, turn left into long arm, and then stall your left hand so they're both overhand. Do you remember these guys, the caps? Okay, let's do these guys. So together, or at the same time, overhand caps on your left, coming up and down and up and down. So all the way down, anti-spin up, all the way down, anti-spin up, all the way down, anti-spin up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. Yeah, there it is. Out, up, down, out, up, and then come back down, turn right, go into split time, hip wheel, bring it up to pinwheel, make it big, make it big, make it big. Now we're going to turn 360 to the right and back to pinwheel. And then we'll do that again. Make it big, make it big, make it big, and turn 360 to the right from the pinwheel. And then turn left into overhand giant. And then when the right is on the bottom, turn right to underhand giant. And when the left is on the top, turn left to overhand giant. And when the right is on the bottom, turn right to underhand giant. Now swivel back and forth and counterclockwise. And then come into a spiral on the front and spiral the other way and spiral back. And now you should be in clockwise. Turn right, sweep. And we're going to do chase the sun one more time. And now lift your left leg, come under the leg, up into clockwise pinwheel. Make it big. Make it big. Make it big. And turn left, 360. And come down on the right into overhand giant. And then when the left is at the bottom, turn left to underhand giant. And when the right is at the top, turn right to overhand giant. And when the left is at the bottom, turn left to underhand giant, and then swivel and clockwise. And turn right to overhand weave. And a right 360 to all the way around. And a left 360 all the way around. And then let's fountain across the front. Turn left to underhand, up over the top, back to overhand. Okay, so we're in the overhand weave on the right. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to overhand weave. Now change it with height. So we're going to come down across the bottom to underhand and up across the top to overhand. Down across the bottom to underhand, up across the top to overhand. Third time. And then last time, down across the bottom, up across the top, and then open it up. Stall the right poi between the leg, turn left to overhand butterfly. Now left turn 360, so turn around to underhand butterfly, open it up to overhand butterfly. Now right turn 360, right take out, turn to underhand, right take out to overhand butterfly. And now left turn 360, so left out, underhand butterfly, left out, overhand butterfly, and right turn 360, right out, underhand butterfly, right out, overhand butterfly, thread the needle, bring it up, over the head, here we go. Left poi taps into clockwise corkscrew, turning to the right with it, and a second time around, and bring it into together time, and come down and tap on the right, up over the top, down and tap on the left, up over the top, down and tap on the right, up over the top, down and tap on the left, up and down on the right, and now we're going to add a turn as we come up and over, down and tap, and to the right, up, over, come down and tap, and to the left, up, over, come down and tap. To the right, up, over, come down and tap. And now add the jump. Up, turn, jump, down, and tap. Up, turn, jump, down, and tap. Up, turn, jump, down, and tap. And to the right, up, turn, jump, down, and tap. Come into a counterclockwise corkscrew. Lane shift it up to pinwheel. And make it together time. And together time big. 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3. Now on the fourth one, we're going to kick it to the right. and go the other way. Big 1 and 2 and 3, and on the fourth one, kick it to the left, and then go to the right. So 1 and 2 and 3, and we're going to kick it right again, and to the left, 1 and 2 and 3, and down, and kick left, up to counterclockwise pinwheel, split time, turn left, overhand weave, left turn 360, and right turn 360.